Bend the pipe cleaner at about 2.5 finger joints, Leave 1 centimeter on the short end, and bend the long end downward around. Fold the top end of the pipe cleaner downward. Pull the tail through the center and adjust the petal shape. Make 3 identical petals. Fold 2 pipe cleaners in half, cross them, and twist tightly. Twist 2 of them tightly at the length of 2 finger joints. Wrap the 2 long ends upward, then fold them down and twist tightly. Bend both sides into a curve, then pass them through the center. Bend the remaining 2 ends into curves, and twist each one together with the pipe cleaners on the sides. Take the longer piece and wrap it to secure, leaving 1 piece and cutting off the rest. Adjust the shape of the petals. Make 3 large petals of the same size. Use elastic cord to wrap the petals around the stem and tie a knot to secure them. Fold 2 olive green pipe cleaners in half. Cross the 2 and twist tightly. Twist all the pipe cleaners so they are pointing in the same direction. Take 1 pipe cleaner at the base, wrap and twist it tightly, then bend it into a leaf shape. Make 2 more leaves of the same shape. Stretch the tape slightly to activate the adhesive.